QGIS can be overwhelming and intimidating, and that's why I've brought to you keyboard shortcuts that you can use to carry out several QGIS activities as a beginner. First is to get a full screen. For you to get a full screen on your QGIS environment, just press F11. The next thing is get a full map screen. You toggle Control or Command plus Shift plus Tab. Work smart, not hard. If you use the control, when you toggle the control on your keyboard plus the keyboard number 1 to 9, it adds functions as well. Toggle your control or command. Starting with one, you can see 1 stands for layers, 2 stands for browser, 3 stands for layer styling, 4 stands for what? Advanced digitizing, 5 stands for undo and redo, 6 stands for what? 6 stands for statistics, 7 stands for spatial book map manager, 8 stands for overview, 9 stands for layer order, and 0 stands for GPS information.